feel like I'm gonna pass out. I'm so dizzy. Okay, today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup because my last video, it was okay, it was good, but I feel like it's not really wearable. Like, I wouldn't wear that out like if I were to go to dinner or something. So I'm gonna do a different one today, more wearable, and I'm gonna be doing it with like a red lip and maybe a nude lip and maybe a pink lip. Like, the eyes are gonna be very neutral, and then you could just dress up your lips however you want. I did a bun today because my hair is so greasy and so dirty, so I just put it up in a bun. I'm wearing repping my man's shirt. I'm not gonna talk in this video either because I can't really concentrate. Like, it takes me forever to do my makeup if I'm talking, so we're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna get right into it. All the products that I'm gonna be using are gonna be in the description, and my socials are gonna be in the description, and also like, share, subscribe, and yeah, just watch my other videos. I'm gonna have, I don't know if it's here or here, I'm gonna have my little iCards so you can go watch my video. So let's just get started because I want to be done with this. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my eyebrows and I did my eyebrows. I primed them with the Benefit Brow Conditioning Primer. I filled them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown Pomade. Then I cleaned them up with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer. And I moisturized with the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. And then finally, I primed with the Milani Prime Light Primer. Alright, so I'm just gonna prime my eyes with concealer, and I'm gonna move you guys in closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm done. This is the final look. I love it. I think I look so cute. I think I look so cute, but like at the same time I feel like I look like an old lady. Anyway, I put on a red dress, a red long sleeve dress. I think it looks really cute. It took me a while to do this. I messed up a lot, but that's it. This is it. I'm gonna put on another lip just so you guys can see like how versatile this look is. You don't have to go with the red lip if you don't want to. This is more wearable than the other look. My first look for Valentine's Day. I would wear this because I'm extra. It's still a little bit extra, but I'm going to show you guys how to tone it down. I'm going to show you guys how to get a different lip. Maybe like a nude or maybe like a pink. Okay, so I'm just going over my foundation brush on my lips just to get a clean palette. You can leave it like this, just put lip gloss or just leave your lips naked, but honestly you can do whatever lip you want. Like even this foundation on my lips looks good, but I'm not gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna take my Jordanan lip liner. Actually it's an eyeliner in the color 29 Brown, and I'm just gonna line my lips really quickly for you. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Lip Taint in the color Birthday Suit, and I'm just going to fill in my lips. Now I'm going to take the ColourPop, I forgot what it's called, liquid lipstick in the color Bumblebee. I'm not going to put this all over my lip. I'm going to put it in the center, and with my finger I'm just going to spread it out. Just like that, we're done. This is the same exact lip that I did in my previous video, but I think it goes good with honestly anything. If you want to be dramatic, if you want to tone it down a little bit, but yeah, this is my everyday lip. This is what I do when I just don't really feel like wearing, you know, like a bright or a very dramatic color on my lips. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video, whoever's watching, 21 subscribers. I'll leave a link to my other video, my previous video, the more dramatic Valentine's Day look, and again I'll leave everything that I used down in the description. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, even Facebook if you want to Facebook me. But yeah, thanks for sticking through the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video. I look cute. I look poppin'.